In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Calendly hostname look anonymous using an alias. Calendly doesn't currently offer a true hide my name option. The host's name appears on your public booking page and in the notifications invitees receive. If you want a privacy-friendly, brand-first presentation, the simplest and most reliable workaround is to change your profile name to a neutral alias, such as sales team, recruiter, or company support. This keeps your scheduling link active and familiar while reducing personal exposure. Here's how to do it in a few quick steps, with context along the way so you know exactly what's changing. Sign into your Calendly account. In the top right corner, click your profile image or the default user icon to open your account menu, then choose Profile. On the Profile page, you'll see the name field. Replace your current name with the alias you want guests to see. Aim for a clear professional label that sets expectations for the meeting. Keep it concise, avoid personal identifiers, and pick something you'd be comfortable having on confirmations, reminders, and calendar invites. When you're satisfied, scroll down and save your changes. From now on, that alias becomes the display name tied to your event types, booking pages, and the automated communications Calendly sends. This choice won't break your link or affect scheduling logic like time zones or availability. It simply updates the name that invitees see. If you collaborate with others, consider a consistent naming convention so every event feels on brand and easy to recognize. You can edit the alias anytime and switch back to your personal name whenever you like. A few best practices can help you finalize it with confidence. Preview one of your event types to confirm the alias looks right on the booking page. Send yourself a test invite to see how it appears in confirmation and reminder messages. Be aware that while Calendly will show the alias, some calendar apps and email providers may still display the host's email address in certain places, so the alias primarily controls Calendly's visible name fields. If you rely on integrations, give them a quick check to ensure everything continues syncing as expected. And keep the alias honest and non-misleading so invitees understand who they're meeting with. That's the entire workaround. By using a clean, descriptive alias as your Calendly profile name, you maintain a professional experience while keeping your personal identity discreet.